The recall of Yellowstone baked beans. Food safety for seniors. Today, we're discussing an important topic: food safety, especially for our senior community. As we age, our bodies can become more vulnerable, making food safety a top priority. We'll be focusing on a recent food recall, the Yellowstone baked beans recall, and how to protect yourselves. Understanding recalls and practicing safe food habits can help you stay healthy and enjoy your meals with confidence. Recently, Yellowstone baked beans issued a recall. This recall was due to an undeclared soy allergen in their product. For those with soy allergies, this poses a significant risk. Even a small amount of soy can trigger a reaction. Soy allergies can manifest in various ways. Mild reactions might include hives, itching, or digestive discomfort. However, in some cases, soy can cause a severe reaction called anaphylaxis. This is a life-threatening condition requiring immediate medical attention. It's crucial to check your pantry for the recalled Yellowstone baked beans. Look for specific lot codes and best buy dates that match the recall information. This information is usually printed on the can or packaging. If you find a matching product, do not consume it. If you have the recalled Yellowstone baked beans, do not open or eat it. The best course of action is to return it to the store where you purchased it for a full refund. If returning the product isn't possible, discard it immediately in a sealed bag, away from other food items. Remember to wash your hands thoroughly after handling the can. As seniors, many of us take medications or have specific dietary needs. This makes reading food labels even more critical. Always take the time to carefully examine the ingredient list. Look for any potential allergens or ingredients that might interact with your medications. Food labels are designed to provide clear and accurate information. Pay close attention to the order of ingredients, as they are listed from most to least abundant. Be wary of vague terms like natural flavors or spices, which can sometimes hide allergens. If in doubt, contact the manufacturer for clarification. Common allergens include soy, peanuts, tree nuts, dairy, gluten, eggs, fish, and shellfish. These allergens must be clearly declared on the label. Look for bolded text or a contains statement that highlights these allergens. This makes it easier to identify potential risks. If you're ever unsure about an ingredient, it's always best to err on the side of caution. Don't consume the product if you have any doubts. Contact the manufacturer or your doctor for more information. Your health and safety are always the top priority. If you experience an adverse reaction after eating a food product, it's important to report it. First, contact your doctor immediately. They can assess your symptoms and provide appropriate medical care. It's also important to inform them of any foods you recently consumed. In addition to your doctor, report the reaction to relevant health authorities. This could be your local health department or the Food and Drug Administration, FDA. The FDA has a reporting system for adverse events related to food. Your report can help them track potential problems and protect public health. Reporting adverse reactions helps identify potential food safety issues. It allows health authorities to investigate and take corrective action. This can prevent others from experiencing similar reactions. Your report can make a real difference in protecting public health. Proper food storage is essential for preventing foodborne illnesses. Store food at the correct temperatures to inhibit bacterial growth. Refrigerate perishable items promptly and keep your refrigerator clean. Use a thermometer to ensure your refrigerator is at or below 40 degrees Fahrenheit, 4 degrees Celsius. Safe food handling practices are just as important as proper storage. Always wash your hands thoroughly with soap and water before preparing food. Use separate cutting boards for raw and cooked foods to prevent cross-contamination. This is especially important when handling raw meat, poultry, and seafood. Always check expiration dates on food products. Discard food past the use-by date, as it may no longer be safe to eat. The best buy date indicates when the product is at its peak quality. While it may still be safe to eat after this date, the quality may decline. When discarding food, do so in a way that prevents contamination. Seal the food in a bag or container before throwing it away. This will help prevent the spread of bacteria and odors. It will also keep pests away from your garbage. Let's recap the Yellowstone baked beans recall. The recall was issued due to an undeclared soy allergen. If you have the product, do not consume it. Return it to the store or discard it safely. Remember to always read food labels carefully. Pay attention to potential allergens and ingredients that may affect your health. Practice safe food storage and handling techniques. These simple steps can help you prevent foodborne illnesses and allergic reactions. Staying informed about food recalls and practicing safe food habits can significantly improve your health and well-being. It allows you to make informed choices about the food you eat. Being proactive about food safety empowers you to protect yourself and your loved ones. Knowledge is power when it comes to food safety. We encourage all seniors to enjoy their meals safely and confidently. By staying informed and practicing safe food habits, you can continue to enjoy delicious and nutritious food. Remember, your health is your greatest asset. Take care of yourself and enjoy life to the fullest.